Okay, let's jump into a really wild idea today. What if that crazy algorithm on TikTok, the one that seems to know exactly what video you need to see next, what if that same principle is actually building your entire reality? That's what we're going to explore.
I mean, you know the feeling, right? You're just scrolling and boom, there it is, the perfect video. It's so specific, it's almost like the app is listening to your thoughts. It's uncanny.
So, let's take that uncanny feeling and scale it way, way up. What if the universe itself is running on a similar but just infinitely more powerful algorithm? What if your life is basically a perfectly curated feed based on the data you're constantly putting out there?
To really get this, we've got to start with the basics. The system we all know and, well, the system we all know. Let's quickly break down how that TikTok algorithm actually works.
At its heart, that algorithm is just a relentless data collector. It's quietly making notes on everything you do, every single video you double tap, every comment you type, how long you watch a clip, and, this is key, every video you immediately swipe away from. It sees it all.
And the whole point of crunching all that data is to do one thing, and one thing only, to build you a completely custom For You page that perfectly mirrors your attention. It doesn't have an opinion, it doesn't judge, it just serves you more of whatever you engage with.
Okay, so you get how TikTok works. Now, let's blow this concept wide open. What happens when we apply the same logic to everything? Let's talk about what some people call the cosmic algorithm.
The big idea here is that the universe isn't random. It's a massive, impartial system that's constantly getting data from you, and then it just responds. It's an algorithm.
So, what kind of data are you feeding this cosmic machine? Well, it's not likes and shares. It's much more personal. It's your thoughts, the words you actually say out loud, the emotions you keep coming back to, and maybe most important of all, those deep-down beliefs you hold about yourself and how the world works. These are your inputs.
And here's the kicker. Just like the TikTok algorithm, the universe is totally neutral. It doesn't have an opinion about your data. It just executes. It receives your signal, your thoughts, your feelings, and it reflects it right back at you in the form of people, situations, and events in your life.
So if the universe is just delivering based on your input, what does that make your life? Well, it's your own personal, hyper-realistic For You page.
I mean, look at this. The parallel is just crystal clear. On TikTok, your input is likes and watch time, and the output is your video feed. In this cosmic model, your input is your internal world, your thoughts and feelings, and the output is your actual reality. The mechanism is identical. One's just digital, the other's cosmic. This brings us to a really powerful conclusion. Your daily life isn't just a bunch of random stuff happening to you. It's a direct, algorithmic mirror of what's happening inside you. It's your own personal, real-life For You page.
Okay, this is the really cool part. If this is true, then you are not just a passive spectator scrolling through life. You can actually train the algorithm. So, how do you do it? How do you become the creator of your own reality's feed?
It really boils down to 3 simple steps, and we're going to use the language we've been using all along. You have to curate your likes, increase your watch time, and learn how to swipe away the stuff you don't want.
All right, step 1, curate your likes. Now, this isn't about double tapping a screen. It's about consciously putting your focus on what you're grateful for, on what you want more of. Every single time you feel gratitude or think a positive thought, it's like you're hitting like and telling the universe, yeah, more of this, please. Step 2, increase your watch time. This one is so important. On TikTok, the longer you watch, the more of that content you get. In life, your watch time is your feeling. It's not enough to just think about having more money or being in a happy relationship. You have to marinate in the feeling of already having it. That sustained emotion is what tells the algorithm you're serious.
And finally, step 3, swipe away. Think about it. When a video you hate comes up on your feed, what do? You swipe past it instantly. You don't sit there and analyze it or leave angry comments. You've got to do the same thing with negative thoughts. Acknowledge it for a second, and then just swipe. Move on. Don't give it your precious watch time.
When you actually start putting these 3 things together, something really profound starts to happen. You stop being a consumer of your reality, and you become its lead architect.
The biggest takeaway here is this. Stop passively wishing for a better life to show up. Stop waiting for the feed to hit better. You have the controls. The whole idea is to start actively, consciously, programming the reality you actually want to live in. This completely changes how you see yourself, right? You're not just some user scrolling through life hoping for the best. Nope, you're the engineer.
Every thought, every feeling, it's another line of code you're writing for your own future.
So I'll leave you with this question. Just for a second, right now, take a quick look at your thoughts and your mood. What are you liking? What are you telling the universal algorithm to put on your life's homepage tomorrow?